Kia is putting the spotlight on its first-ever Tasman pickup truck by revealing details of its rigorous testing process. The vehicle has endured over 18,000 tests in extreme natural conditions across Australia, the United States, and the United Arab Emirates, proving its capabilities on the toughest terrains. To ensure the Tasman delivers stable handling in the most extreme environments, Kia subjected it to challenging test conditions daily. One of these trials took place in the scorching deserts of the UAE, where temperatures soared to 48 degrees Celsius. Even in such intense heat, the pickup tackled the burning sand dunes with ease, showcasing its durability and agility. After months of testing, the Kia Tasman is now entering the South Korean market, where it will be available in 3 trims. The base dynamic version starts at just over $27,000, the mid-range Extreme at $34,500, and the top-tier X Pro at $38,000. While the entry-level model comes with rear-wheel drive as standard, all-wheel drive is available as an option and is included in the higher trims. Depending on the market, different engine options will be offered. For instance, in South Korea, the Tasman is powered by a 2.5-liter gasoline engine producing 281 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. With 421 Newton-meters of torque, it accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 8.5 seconds and reaches a top speed of 185 kilometers per hour. The rear-wheel drive version consumes 12.8 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 10.2 liters on the highway, while the all-wheel drive variant uses 14.3 liters in urban areas and 11.6 liters on highways. Additionally, some markets will offer a 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine delivering 207 horsepower and 440 Newton-meters of torque, sourced from the Kia Sorento and Carnival models. This version features an upgraded cooling system to optimize performance at low speeds and while towing heavy loads. The diesel engine comes with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission, boasting a fuel consumption of 7.6 liters per 100 kilometers in mixed driving conditions. It reaches 100 kilometers per hour in 10.4 seconds, with a top speed matching the gasoline version at 185 kilometers per hour. Both powertrains are paired with an 80-liter fuel tank. The Kia Tasman's reinforced composite body-to-frame bushings improve rigidity, handling, stability, and comfort. Its front double wishbone suspension enhances ride quality across various terrains, while the rear rigid axle with leaf springs ensures strength and load capacity. Kia has also equipped the pickup with vertically mounted shock absorbers to enhance damping efficiency, even during extreme suspension travel. The SDC frequency selective damping system and hydraulic shock absorbers minimize cabin vibrations, improving body control and ride comfort on rough roads. The Kia Tasman lineup offers a variety of configurations to suit different needs. Customers can choose between a single or double cab, as well as a standard cargo bed or a high-sided bed with drop-down panels. The vehicle measures 5,410 millimeters in length, 1,930 millimeters in width, and stands between 1,870 millimeters and 1,920 millimeters tall, depending on the configuration. Its wheelbase spans 3,270 millimeters, ensuring stability and a commanding presence. Ground clearance ranges from 224 millimeters to 252 millimeters. The most popular four-door version boasts a spacious cargo area measuring 1,512 millimeters in length, 1,572 millimeters in width, and 540 millimeters in height, offering a generous 1,173 liters of storage capacity. Thanks to its high-strength frame, the Tasman can carry up to 1,200 kilograms in single-wheel drive form. South Korea is the first market to receive the Tasman, with prices starting at just over $27,000. In the coming months, the model is expected to launch in Australia, Africa, and the Middle East, with potential future expansion to other regions. After 4 years of development and extensive testing, the Kia Tasman is finally hitting the market, embodying the essence of a true pickup: strength, reliability, and versatility.